everyone, welcome to my channel Maths Friendly. In today's class we will do question number 5 of exercise 1.2 from first chapter Knowing Our Numbers, 6th class Maths NCERT book. Now let us read the question and try to understand what the question says. Find the difference between, difference means what? Difference means to subtract. Difference means to subtract. Find the difference between. Difference between 2 and 5 is what? Difference between 2 and 5 is what? Means we have to find this. We have to subtract 2 from 5, which will give 3. So difference between 2 and 5 is 3. So we have to subtract 2 from 5. This means that find the difference between the greatest and the least 5-digit number. The greatest, the second thing is what? The question says greatest and the least 5-digit number. See, find the difference between the greatest and the least 5-digit number that can be written using the digits. These are what? These digits are given 6, 2, 7, 4, 3. These are the 5 digits 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. These are the 5 different digits given. Right? And we have to find the difference between the greatest and the least 5-digit number that can be written using the digits, this each only once. Now let us understand what does it mean. So we will not take, I will give you a small example like I give in every question. So I will not take this 5 digits. We will take only 2 digits and understand it. Let us take 2 digits, 2 and 8. Okay. So the greatest number that can be formed with these 2 digits are what? The greatest number which can be formed with these 2 digits. 82. See, 82 is the greatest number which can be formed with these 2 digits. And what is the smallest number which can be formed with these 2 digits? It is 28. So 82 is the greatest 2-digit number that can be formed with these 2 digits. And 28 is the smallest or the least. Smallest means least. Smallest and least means same thing. Okay, least means smallest. So 28 is the smallest 2-digit number that can be formed with 2 and 8. And 82 is the greatest 2-digit number that can be formed with these 2 digits. Okay, so what we have done? We have arranged these 2 digits like in descending order. First the greater digit and then the smaller digit. And we got the greatest 2-digit number with these 2 digits. To find the smallest 2 digit, what we did? First we put the smaller number and then the greater number. And we got the smallest 2-digit number. Right? Let us take one more example to understand. 1, 2 and 9. These are the 3 digits I have given. Okay, or take it like this. Or take it like 2, 1 and 9. These are the 3 digits which are given. And we have to form the smallest 3-digit number which can be formed from these 3 digits. So what will be the smallest number? Smallest or least? Least means smallest. So least 3-digit number will be what? It will be 129. See, 129 is a number which is formed with these digits, and it is the least 3-digit number formed with these digits. And what is the greatest? What will be the greatest 3-digit? The greatest 3-digit number will be 921. 921. 921 is also formed with these digits only, right? But this is the greatest 3-digit number formed with these digits, and this is the smallest 3-digit number formed with these 3 digits. So what we have done to find the least 3-digit number? We have first put the smaller number, smallest, then the greater. Means we have put the digits in the ascending order. Means the smallest one first, then the greater. And to find the greatest 3-digit number out of these digits, what we did? We first put the greater digit, then the greater, and then the smallest digit at the last. Then we got the greatest 3-digit number out of these 3 digits and the smallest 3-digit number out of these 3 digits. So to find least, we have to first put the smaller number and then we have to move to the greater ones. And to find the greatest 3-digit number, first the greater digit, and then we have to move like then the smaller, and then the smallest one will be put at the end. So like this. Now you can very easily understand what this question number 5 says. Yes, we will do the solution. Find the difference between the greatest and the least 5-digit number that can be written using the digits 6, 2, 7, 4, 3, each only once. Means these digits only once we will use these digits, right? Like we will not use twice in the number. Suppose we will not use 6 two times. 2 times we will not use. The digits will be used only once, not 2 times, right? So find the difference between the greatest and the least 5-digit number that can be written using the digits these each only once. So each digit we have to use only once. So what will, so the given digits are what? The given digits are, what are the given digits? 6, 2, 7, 4, and 3. These are the given digits. So what will be the greatest 5-digit number out of this? How we will form the greatest 5-digit number? See, the greatest 5 digit number will be what? So the greater digit will be put first, then the smaller, and the smallest one will be put here, and we get the greatest 5-digit number out of all these 5 digits. From these 5 digits we made a number which is the greatest 5-digit number. How? First the greater one, and like that we will move in the descending order and we will get the smaller digit at the end. So this is the greatest 5-digit number found with these 5 digits. Now the least 5-digit, the least 5-digit number is equal to, what will be the least? In least, what we will do? We will start with the smaller number. What is the smaller among all these? 2 is the smaller. Then which one is the bigger? 3, then 4, then 6, then 7. So what we got? The greatest 5-digit number is this one, which is made with these digits, and the least 5-digit number means the smallest 5-digit number is this one. See, the greatest 5-digit number is what? 76,432, and the least 5-digit number which is made out of these 5 digits is 23,467. So what we did? The greatest and the least 5-digit number that can be written using the digits these. Using these digits we wrote the greatest 5-digit number and the least 5-digit number. Now the question is asking, find the difference between the greatest and the least 5-digit number. So we have to find the difference between the greatest and the least 5-digit number. Difference means, see here, difference between 2 and 3 is 3 minus 2, which is 1. So the difference between the greatest and the least 5-digit number will be what? The difference means to subtract. So the difference between the greatest and the least, the greatest and the least 5-digit number is equal to what? The difference between the greatest and the least 5-digit number will be, we have to subtract this from this, because this is the greatest 5-digit number and this is the smallest 5-digit number. So to find the difference between these two, we have to subtract. To find the difference between the greatest and the least, we have to subtract the smaller number from the bigger number, right? So we will do the subtraction now. 7, 6, 4, 3, 2 and this is 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. So let us do the subtraction. Seven, 6, 4, 3, 2, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. 4, 6, 7. We will do subtraction. 2 minus 7 is not possible, so we will take one carry, it will become 12. 12 minus 7 means 5. This becomes 2. 12 minus 6 is 6. This becomes 3. 13 minus 4 is 9. This is 5. 5 minus 2. 5 minus 3 is 2. And this is 7 minus 2 is 5. So this is 52,965. This is 52,965. So we got the difference between the greatest and the least 5-digit number is equal to this, right? Understood? We will do question number 6 in the next video. If you like the video, then share with your friends and relatives and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that you can get notification of the videos. And so meet you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.